yesterday, the 7th, to pour a strong chemical down this urinal so that it can, so that the drain can be clear and flush clearly. So as you see now, there's residual water here, flushing it. This is, by the way, the 5th time flushing it, but the 1st time documenting it on video. So water accumulates, leaving about an inch gap between the top of the basin to the top of the water level. And it is draining. A little slow, but it is draining. And then it stops draining when there's about this much water in it. So we're not sure if that's normal or if that's how urinals are supposed to be. So we are documenting this for your consideration and further input on what to do next, or if there's anything that we need to do next. Flush it again. Water fills up. About an inch gap between the top of the basin to the top water level. Draining, but not fully drained. So there's a little bit of water that just remains. We're not sure if that's normal. Also, the water pressure was decreased, so the flush rate is not as intense as it was before. 3rd time. Same distance, about an inch. And now it's draining. So this is the 3rd time documenting it on video and the 8th time total it's been done, with always this residual water. So we're not sure if that's normal or if that's how urinals are supposed to be.